I am going to share another great news for those who want to master in Microsoft. Microsoft is offering 6 official courses which are totally free for the students, and these are for limited time. The deadline of this course is 31st May. That means still 13 days are left. So if you want to do any course of Microsoft, then you can do these courses. So here are 6 courses. You can see the name of this: Azure Architect Technologies, Microsoft Azure Architect Design, Microsoft Azure Administrator, Developing Solution for Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365 Fundamentals, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. So now let's talk about the benefit of these courses. What benefit you will get after completing these official courses of Microsoft? These are official Microsoft courses aligned to the certification. That means after completing successfully this course, you will get certificate from Microsoft. And these courses came in ebook format. Students get free Microsoft Azure Pass with the validity of 30 days from the date of redemption, or when the credit limit of the Azure Pass has reached, whichever comes first. Azure Pass is available for all courses except MS90. So now I'm showing how to enroll these courses. Here are 6 courses. If you want, you can do all of this or any one of them. Whatever you want, you can do. For example, I would like to do this Azure Architect Technologies course. So I need to click here. But remember one thing, you will get the link of this site in our video description. You just need to click here and you will get here. Okay, now I'm doing this course, so I need to click here. Okay, after clicking you will get like this way. Here course 3 overview, course outline, what this course includes, everything is there. And here is related certification and badges. Okay, as you are new here, so to enroll this course you must register here. So for registering you must include your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number and your country. Here one thing, that this course is eligible only for 2 countries. The first one is United States and the second one is India. So if you belong to these 2 countries, then you can enroll these courses. Okay, after filling of country, then you need to click your register now. Then you will be able to enroll these courses very easily. So still 13 days are left, so it is a great opportunity for you to enroll this course and get certified from Microsoft. I hope you will enjoy these courses. Thank you.